I've never really broken an egg before. So Gladful was really kind enough to send me a few of their products recently, and I've decided that I'm going to use these products to recreate some of these really cute Pinteresty food art plates. Now I'm not particularly bad at art, but I don't think cooking is my strongest point. We're going to start prepping our ingredients. I'm going to be using the moong and beetroot chilla mix and the choco banana millet pancake. Final outcome is that my art is done. My house is extremely messy, so due to my own art attempts. But my stomach's really full and really happy, and I don't have to go make lunch now because honestly, the chila and the pancake are so good, and yeah, I have secretly been eating it behind the scenes all this while.